So let's talk about how to submit your request using the mobile application to the City of South Fulton. So once you've downloaded the mobile SeeClickFix app onto your smartphone and set up a profile, you would go ahead and just click the icon on your phone. That'll take you to a home page for the City of South Fulton. You would select the plus button in the middle lower half of your screen. You would be able to add a photo to your request. So in this instance, we're going to go ahead and add a pothole image that I downloaded from offline. And then we're going to go ahead and enter the exact location of where the issue that we're reporting on is. I'm going to use our mini precinct because it's a default in our system. And then I'll select next. Now all of the available categories for the City of South Fulton will populate. If you enter an address that is not within the City of South Fulton, it will take you to an option that says post to neighbors. And so if that happens, please go back one step by selecting location and re-enter the correct address. So in categories, you don't have to scroll through the entire list. You may also just type in a search word. And so we know we're reporting on a pothole, so I'm going to go ahead and type pothole. And there you have it. It's populated there. We'll select it, and it advances us to our next screen. Here is where you have an option to enter a little bit more detail about where this pothole is, what's going on with it. And so for this demo, we'll just do something very generic and say large pothole at intersection of Landmark Way and X or C Street. And then we'll hit apply. We provide our name. We provide a phone number. And then we will provide an email address. And so it's really important to leave this contact information for a couple of reasons. One, if we have additional concerns or questions, we have a way to reach out to you. And the second is through the system, as updates are being made and comments are being added to your specific request, you will begin to receive notices about that so that you can also monitor and track where we are in the process of resolving your issue. And lastly, you have an option to hide your identity from public view, keeping in mind that this tool is a public-facing tool. So many of the requests are public and can be viewed and tracked by other viewers and users of the system. And so once you make your decision there, you would press submit, and then your request is entered into a queue, assigned to the appropriate department within the City of South Fulton, and the process to resolve begins.